This video of the top 3 best value pool filter replacement cartridges for Jandy CV460 and CL460 available on Amazon, based on compatibility, customer reviews, filtration efficiency, price, and overall value. Each option is a 4-pack, as the Jandy CV460 and CL460 filters typically require 4 cartridges. Prices are approximate based on current Amazon listings. Optimum Pool Technologies Pool Filter 4-pack. Price, $160. Why it's a top pick: lowest price in the top 3 and made in the USA with 100% REME filtration media for durability and cleanability, offers excellent value. Each cartridge provides 115 square feet of filtration, with support bands for structural integrity. Customers praise the perfect fit for Jandy CV460/CL460, comparable quality to Pliaco at a lower price, and long-lasting performance, up to 2 years with proper care. Reviews highlight clear pool water and ease of installation. Pros: high-quality materials, great fit, cost-effective, strong customer feedback, e.g., same quality as Pliaco for half the price. Cons: some users notice slight oily film on new filters, requiring pre-washing. All product links available in the description. FutureWay CV460 Pool Filter Cartridges 4-pack. Price, $169. Why it's a top pick: a budget-friendly option with robust construction, including solid plastic end caps and 5 support bands, matching name brand quality. Each cartridge provides 115 square feet of filtration. Customers report improved flow, reduced back pressure, and clear water, with excellent customer service. It's a great value for those seeking reliability without breaking the bank. Pros: durable build, high customer satisfaction for flow and clarity. Cons: some users suggest monitoring fit on older manifolds to ensure a snug seal. Polpure C7468 Pool Filter Cartridge 4-pack. Price, $239. Why it's a top pick: Polpure's 4-pack uses premium trilobal fabric for deep impurity capture and easy cleaning, offering 115 square feet per cartridge. It's certified for material safety and praised for long service life and filtration efficiency. Reviews highlight its ability to maintain clear water in high debris environments, e.g., pollen-heavy areas. It's a strong contender for value and performance. Pros: advanced fabric design, easy to clean, good for heavy debris, reliable brand. Cons: slightly less feedback on durability compared to Optimum or Pureline. Enjoy your clean pool.